How to call without a SIM card on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few ways to make calls using an internet connection. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. You can make internet calls using apps such as WhatsApp, Messenger, FaceTime, or Skype, depending on which app you and the person you're calling use. For example, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and select the person you want to call. Tap the phone icon to make a voice call. As long as both devices have an internet connection, you can talk without a SIM card or cellular service. You can also use FaceTime if the person you're calling has an Apple device. Open the FaceTime app, select the person you want to call, then tap the Join button. Keep in mind that you generally can't make a normal cellular phone call without an active SIM or eSIM and cellular service. However, internet-based calling apps can work over Wi-Fi without a SIM card. If your iPhone supports Wi-Fi calling, that feature normally still requires an active carrier account and cellular service, so it isn't a replacement for having a SIM or eSIM. And that's it. You can make calls without a SIM card by using Wi-Fi and an internet calling app such as WhatsApp or FaceTime. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.